In this video, I'll show you how to automate approvals with Asana rules. If your team often reviews work before it moves to the next stage, automating approvals in Asana can save time and make the process much more consistent. Instead of manually updating tasks every time someone approves or requests changes, rules can help Asana handle the next step automatically. To begin, open the project where your review or approval process happens. Then go to the Customize area and select Rules. Rules in Asana are based on a simple idea. First, you choose a trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Then you choose an action, which is what Asana should do after that event happens. Next, create or open the task that needs to go through approval. If your process uses approval-style tasks, they set the task up so the reviewer can clearly respond with an approval decision. This makes the review stage easier to track and helps everyone understand when the task is waiting for feedback and when a decision has been made. Once that is ready, build a rule that responds to the result of the approval. For example, if the task gets approved, the rule can move it to the next section, assign it to the next person, update a status field, or mark part of the process as complete. If changes are requested, the rule can move it back to a revision stage, reassign it to the creator, or highlight that more work is needed. This kind of automation is useful because it reduces manual follow-up. People do not need to remember every next step because the workflow already knows what to do. It also creates more consistency, since the same action happens every time the same approval outcome appears. Automated approvals are especially helpful for content teams, creative teams, marketing workflows, design reviews, and client sign-off processes. Anywhere work needs a clear decision before moving forward, rules can help keep the project moving cleanly and efficiently. That's how to automate approvals with Asana rules. Set up the approval step, create a rule for the result, and let Asana move the work forward automatically after each decision. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.